Okay, so to start off with, I already have my color selected. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna draw a basic silhouette of an eyebrow, and that silhouette is gonna help us draw or fill the eyebrow later on. So what I'm doing is I'm also erasing it by decreasing the opacity of the eraser to make it even lighter. So now what I'm doing is I'm just drawing small hair-like strokes. Now I do have a video on how to draw eyebrows on my channel, and I would highly recommend you guys to watch that video before you start drawing eyebrows on your iPad. So yeah, so here I'm just drawing small hair-like strokes and making sure that the brush, the opacity of the brush I'm using is really low. And now what I'm doing is I'm just creating a new layer and placing it underneath the one where we drew hair like strokes, and I'm just gonna fill it in with a color, with the same color, with a soft air brush, and making sure that opacity is really low. And the reason why I'm doing is you cannot fill an eyebrow just with the strokes. I mean, that would look good. I'm not saying that it won't look good, but it's just me. I just like filling it in with the color as well. And also, whenever you are drawing eyebrows, just make sure that the front part of an eyebrow is always lighter as compared to the arch of the eyebrow. And also, I just cleaned it up by erasing the excess filled part of the eyebrow. Now what I'm doing is I'm just decreasing the opacity of the colored part of the eyebrow that I just did, and I'm just gonna go back and take the brush I was using to create strokes, and I'm just gonna decrease the size of the brush as well, and I'm just gonna place few more hair-like strokes here and there where I feel that the eyebrow is still not so filled up. So that's how I draw eyebrows on Procreate. I'm gonna draw one more eyebrow and I'm just gonna speed through the process. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys the next time. Also guys, I am open for freelance projects, so if you want me to draw any illustration for your website, your app, feel free to hit me up on Fiverr, and I'll give you the link down in the description.